Unraveling the Mystery. What exactly is rose tea? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, rose tea. This phrase might sound straightforward, but there's actually quite a bit to unpack here. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in and explore the meaning behind rose tea. Rose tea is a compound noun consisting of two words, rose and tea. Rose refers to the fragrant flower that comes from the genus Rosa. Roses come in many colors, shapes, and sizes, and they are known around the world as symbols of love, beauty, and passion. The word tea, on the other hand, refers to a beverage made by infusing dried leaves or flowers in hot water. It's a popular drink enjoyed by people across the globe, with a rich history and a variety of types and flavors. When these two words come together to form rose tea, they create a phrase that describes a specific type of tea. Rose tea is a type of herbal tea made by brewing dried rose petals or rosebuds in hot water. Unlike traditional teas, which are made from the leaves of the tea plant, Camellia sinensis, rose tea is made solely from the petals or buds of the rose flower. This results in a fragrant, floral, and slightly sweet beverage that's believed to have numerous health benefits. People consume it not just for its delightful taste and aroma, but also for its potential to aid digestion, reduce stress, and improve skin health, among other benefits. Rose tea has a rich history and holds a special place in various cultures around the world. In Chinese medicine, for instance, rose tea has been used for centuries to regulate qi, life energy, and to promote a sense of well-being. In addition to its medicinal uses, rose tea is also enjoyed simply as a delicious and aromatic beverage. It's often consumed on its own, but it can also be blended with other types of tea or herbs to create unique flavors. Making rose tea at home is quite simple. You will need dried rose petals or buds, which you can purchase from a health food store or a specialty tea shop. Here's a quick guide on how to prepare it. 1. Place a tablespoon of dried rose petals or buds in a teapot or infuser. 2. Pour hot water, not boiling, over the petals. 3. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your taste preferences. 4. Strain the tea into a cup, and it's ready to be enjoyed. Feel free to add honey or a slice of lemon for an extra burst of flavor. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide on rose tea. We hope this video has helped to clarify what rose tea is and has perhaps even inspired you to try a cup for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Cheers to learning and happy tea drinking!